So I am ready to start programming in Java. The first thing we'll need is some kind of a compiler or an editor that will help take our semi-human language and translate it into code for my computer to understand those instructions. We decided to use jGrasp to do this, so you will have, if you want to do this on your computer at home, you'll need jGrasp. That's a free download. And in order to use any compiler or translator, you'll need also to download Java JDK. And if you probably just do a Google search for download Java JDK, and it's the first thing that pops up from Oracle. Then you'll be ready to start coding. So when you have jGrasp downloaded, the icon will look like this with a little G in it. And when I click on that G, up pops my environment. And now I'm ready to start coding. So in jGrasp, to begin a program, I click File and New, and I select Java. When I do that, you'll notice this little tab showed up, and now I have this blinking cursor. It's already ready to start the program. So there's some keywords in Java, and we're going to type in a very short, quick program to start. We'll talk more later about the general way that the program flows, but for now, I'd like to show you just how the compiler works. So if I type in the word public, you notice it turns purple. That's a special word. And class also turns purple. This next word that I type in is going to be the name of my program. So I'm going to call it hello. I then put in 2 brackets. Notice how I put those in as a pair, because for every forward bracket, there has to be an ending bracket. In this little area between the brackets, I'm going to type in the word public again, only now I'm going to type in static void main, and with a capital S, string, hard brackets, and the word args. Notice string and args went in parentheses. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to enter 2 more brackets, an opening and a closing bracket. This is super clunky about Java, but there's no way around it. All programs in Java have these lines in it, and sometimes people just save a copy of this and they just keep using it over and over, changing the name. But these lines of code are in every single program. So now I have a shell of a program. I haven't given any commands yet. I haven't done anything special. We will type in a command. I'm just going to type in a simple command that I will explain more later, but it's system.out.print. And then in parentheses, I'm going to put quotation marks with hello world, and then notice how I put in a semicolon after that line. A semicolon in Java means stop. It's like a period at the end of a sentence. And when I want to run this program, you see there's a little icon of a running figure. I can click on that and I get prompted to save it. When I click save, if everything went well, the file name, hello, should match this file name, only have the extension .java there. And it does, so I'm pretty sure I typed everything in properly, so I'm going to click save. If I didn't, it's okay, my computer will tell me. So now, if I look down in that I/O area that I talked about earlier, this is the area where all the input and output show up, you'll see the words hello world come out. So I gave my first command. I asked my computer to print out a literal string of characters that says hello world, and it did exactly what I asked it to do. So that's how to get jGrasp and use it.